S-P-O-R-T. Sport.
Okay. And a yellow R.
Oh, I know the word. I'm gonna remove these. F-E-E-T-P. Feet.
Aqua. That is the worst possible guess. None of them right. A yellow P.
That means it starts S-P.
Okay.
Sprint.
Green S. Green P. Yellow R. And none of the rest.
I know the word now. F-E-E-T-S.
No, Aqua. That is not the word.
S-P.
Green S.
Oh,
Green P.
Oh,
A green R.
oh.
And these two are right.
let me do it. Let me do it.
What?
Who's Spyler?
A green Y. And
Spyler?
Noel.
Why'd you put Spyler? Okay, my turn. It's Spider!